If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Altitude in laser blue. With a black grille and black rings, gloss black fog lamp bezels, 18-inch black aluminum wheels, gloss black Jeep badging, black daylight opening moldings, rear window wiper and washer, power 8-way driving seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,595 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, media hub with USB port and auxiliary port, rear 60/40 folding seat, piano black interior accents, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5245.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.